this video is about demonstrating continuous integration and continuous delivery of a Azure web app. So for this purpose, we have used a simple housing price prediction application which also deliver the result using an API endpoint. We have already deployed the web service. So the service already I have opened in the Azure portal. So this is the service name and this is the URL. So service name is already highlighted. This is the URL. So upon opening this URL in a new tab, it will show the home page of the service, which is nothing but the project name and also the model version. Yeah, the source code is already checked out in my local repository, that is in the Cloud Shell. So just to demonstrate how the API endpoint is getting invoked. So for that we are using a bash script. So this is the content of the script. So basically it is just invoking the public URL with the post method. So let's execute that method. Yeah. So basically it sent the request to the public URL and retrieve the data. So this is nothing but the model version and the prediction value is returned. Yeah, let's also examine the content of the make file. So this is nothing but setting up the Python environment, then install the requirement, test and lint. So let's run that. Yeah, so basically it install all the requirement, run all the test and also generate the coverage report. So we have used the Python coverage package, so this generate the report. So that's all the make file. Yeah, now let's examine how the entire thing pipeline will work on the developer perspective. So whenever the developer make a modification and push the changes to the repository, it will basically invoke the continuous integration and the continuous delivery pipeline. So basically I am going to modify a minor change in the app.py. So basically I am going to change this to 3.5. Already it is 0.5. Now I am going to change this to 3.5. And let me commit the changes. It will invoke the continuous integration and the continuous delivery pipeline. So the continuous integration is already triggered, so which is up and running in the GitHub Actions hub. So basically it is nothing but the same thing what we shown in the make file. So you run the setup, install the dependencies and then do the linting and also run the test. Yeah, now the test is run, the report is generated, everything is success. We can come back to the code and we can see that the GitHub action status badge is updated and it is displayed in the readme.txt. Now let's go to the continuous integration, continuous delivery and check how it is working. So now go to the pipelines and check the runs. So it is already started running the changes. So now the build is already started. Yeah, build step is almost completed and the deployment status is in ongoing. Yes, the build artifact is already downloaded. Yeah, and it is go to the deployment. Now the deployment is completed. So let's go back to and check the web interface. Yeah, it's loading. So yeah, the version is updated to 3.5 and also we can check the API endpoint. Yes, here also the model version is updated to 3.5, return the prediction. So this concludes the demo. Thanks for your time and attention. Thank you.